Now we will speak about functions. Functions are a very important thing in every programming language. So what does it mean? You can imagine that you would like to create some code. So something very simple here. For example, I would like to print I love IT. And I would like to print it 5 times. It doesn't matter if it is very simple code or bunch of code or bunch of lines of code. It doesn't matter. But now I have some code and I want to use it 5 times. If I will run it, there is no surprise. I love IT five times here. Okay, great. But now you would like to make a change. So what does it mean? For example, I would like to change it to I love Python. So it means you need to go and change it everywhere you need it. So in our case, I need to change it 5 times, right? But we don't want to do that, okay? Because it means that you need to go everywhere you repeat this line of code, find it in your codes, and it can be, for example, file with 1000 lines of codes, and you need to find it and change it, and we don't want to do that, right? So we can use functions. What does it mean? So it means that you can use the def keyword. It has to be there. And after that, it's the name of the function. It's up to you how you name it. For example, love function. That's my name, okay? I want to call it love function. After that, you have brackets, and after that, you have colon. Always brackets, always colon, okay? Only the name, it's up to you. And now you can say what the function will do. So I will take one of this, copy, and put it here. It has to be indented, so it means Python knows that it's a part of the function, okay? If it would be here, it's a mistake because there is the function is empty, right? So again, indent. So now I will comment it out, and now I have a love function, and if I call it or use it love function, it will print I love Python. So it means now if I will run it, you will see that nothing happened. No I love Python here. Why? Because functions have 2 parts. The first part is to create the function, and the second part is to use it. We call it call function. Okay, and if you want to call function, you will use the name, so love function and the brackets. It goes like this. If I will run it now, it means I will see I love Python once. So if you want to use it 5 times, you only need to use love function 5 times, or we can say call it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I will run it, and you can see I love Python 5 times. But now, what's the difference between this and this? The difference is, if I want to make a change, I will do it only on one place. So if I would say I love, I don't know, for example, JavaScript, so I will just write it here, and now I don't have to do anything more. So now I will run it, and you can see I love JavaScript 5 times. Okay, and that's the point of the function. If you repeat something in your code, you can create a function for it, and it saves your time, and it can save some lines of code as well. Okay, so that's the point of the functions.